let's unbox one of these Sonos One speakers. I already unboxed one of these black ones back in 2017. So I'm just curious to see now here in 2019 if it's still the same box and the same content. Of course, I think they are selling out these speakers now because they are on sale most places. And according to the app and on the website, if you log in, you can actually see that this is rated as Generation 1 Sonos One speaker. So yeah, but anyway, I wanted one for my kitchen, so let's just unbox this and have a closer look and see like 1.5 years later if actually the content is the same within the box. So let's just find the unboxing knife here and cut this plastic wrapping here. And of course, let's cut this tape. As far as I know, the only difference between the white and the black one is the color. So the box content should be the same. And like said, I do suspect a new version will be coming out since like every store here in my country are selling these one out. They're all stock out here. So, and it's like said, rated to be a Gen 1 speaker if you go into the setting of the app and into the website. But you can see a Sonos, and Sonos of course is written the same ways, both front and back. So you can turn it around and it will still say Sonos. Kind of a weird little thing there, but yeah, you get a little quick start manual here. Get the app, or get the Sonos app. Of course, these speakers will not work without the Sonos app, so it is a required thing. And of course, you can get it on both Android, iOS, and Windows and Mac. So you can both use your computer, and you can also use your phone, of course, to control these speakers. And this is just important product information. Of course, all those safety instructions: do not eat and short circuit and so on. Sonos does it say here as well. I don't know if you can see this on camera. This little cardboard protection, and again Sonos on the inside here wrapping. So yeah, you're not in any doubt that this is actually a Sonos speaker. It is a very heavy little speaker. Feels like good quality. Let's just have a look at what else is in this box. Buried here down below. You should find, of course, a power cable. And you can also see a LAN cable, which is one of the flat types of LAN cables. Actually pretty nice. These are much more flexible than those standard round ones. I use flat cables with all my gear, so I like that really much. And of course, a power cable. It is a standard figure 8 cable, but it does have a kind of unique bracket or unique plug at the one end. And there's really nothing else in the box, but just to be certain, let's go all the way to the bottom there. Okay, let's have a closer look here at the Sonos speaker. I'll just peel off this top sticker here, saying Sonos, and of course it is wrapped in this nice soft fabric-ish material. You can see the speakers down below here. Let's just see if we can pull it out now, like so. It is kind of a heavy speaker, like I said. Feels like there's a lot of content in there. The top part is made of some kind of plastic, and of course you have the up-down button there. You can mute the microphone, and it does have several microphones around the edges right there. You can see the front mesh or the grill extend all the way to the sides and a little bit to the back as well. It is made of metal, and the little pairing button here on the back. Of course, what you need to pair the speaker. And this is where you want to connect the LAN cable, if that's what you're gonna use. I'm gonna use wireless. It does have wireless built in, 2.4 gigahertz. And of course the bottom here, rubber feet, so it stands very secure on the desk or table or whatever shelf you're gonna put this on. And let's just have a look at the power cable and try to plug it in. See that kind of unique plug that comes with this cable. You see it's all angled there, so it will fit into this plug right there, and it will stay flat and stick out through the back right there. Actually pretty nice, I think, and you can still pretty easily get it out because of those two notches right there. Kind of hard to see on camera, it's a little overexposed, hard to film this white surface, but yeah, it's just been an unboxing, and this is of course what you get in the box. I will link to this product down below if there's something you're interested in. Else, that's pretty much it for this video. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.